Attorney General's announcement comes on the heels of Mr. Trump's announcement earlier this week that he will run for president again. In fact, the AG said that was a deciding factor in appointing a special counsel tonight. The former president, in his usual fashion, is firing back. U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland says he is appointing a special counsel to oversee 2 criminal investigations surrounding former President Donald Trump. First, did Trump commit any crimes by removing classified documents to his Florida home? And second, was there unlawful interference with the transfer of power following the 2020 election and the certification of votes leading up to January 6th?
It is in the public interest to appoint a special prosecutor to independently manage an investigation and prosecution.
The AG arguing the move will shield the DOJ from any allegations the cases are driven by politics. Garland has named Jack Smith to the position. Smith most recently served as a war crimes investigator in The Hague, but began his prosecutorial career as an assistant district attorney with the Manhattan DA's office in 1994. And in 1999, he joined the U.S. Attorney's Office in the Eastern District of New York. Legal expert Kevin O'Brien is a former federal prosecutor who also worked out of the EDNY. He says Smith's reputation precedes him.
He's a very fine prosecutor and a very fine guy, and I'm sure he'll do a good job for the Department of Justice.
Friday evening, Trump did not mince words when responding to the special counsel.
This horrendous abuse of power is the latest in a long series of witch hunts.
O'Brien says appointing Smith sends a signal to Trump and his legal team, namely the DOJ is ramping up, not down.
It does spell bad news for Mr. Trump in the sense that it means the Department of Justice is serious. They're not going to bow out of this anytime soon.
Following his appointment, Smith released a statement saying he will exercise, quote, independent judgment and that he will move the investigations forward quickly and thoroughly.
This is going to take a while. This definitely holds things up.
And the special counsel will report directly to AG Garland. Important to note that while Smith can make recommendations to Garland, it is ultimately up to the AG whether to indict Mr. Trump.